Hi, my name is Zach Miller, and inside of this course, we're going to be going over how to build backlinks. We're going to be diving inside from the basics of what backlinks are, how you actually go about creating that anchor text that points back to your website, how to choose the most profitable backlinks for your time and effort. You want to make sure that you're posting to the right sites that will, of course, rank your website higher through that trust that is naturally established from highly accredited resources resourcing you as a backlink. So we're going to be diving through a lot of different analytics, like I said, from basically beginners all the way to intermediate and expert, how to build those backlinks, different types of backlinks that you can build, and a whole lot more. So if you want to know anything about backlinks, how to rank higher inside the search engines, which is really the primary factor using backlinks in SEO, which is search engine optimization, then this is the course for you.